In this video, we'll discuss using labels for organizing your email in Gmail in Google Apps, setting up filters to have Gmail automatically apply labels to your email items, and using labels to help you search and find information. Labels can be thought of as folders, like you'd find in other email applications, except in Gmail they can apply to more than one message at a time. Associating email messages with more than one label eliminates the need for subfolders and lets you cross-reference email items when searching. You can apply one or more labels to any email item by clicking the checkbox next to the item, then choosing one or more labels from the drop-down menu. You can type the first letter or two of the label you want to use, and it'll show in the list. Or you can create a new label by typing the name in the text field. You can also quickly attach a label to an email message and move it out of your inbox by clicking the Move To button and choosing an existing label or creating a new label. You can also move any item out of your inbox with one click using the Archive button. If you archive a message without a label, it will go into your All Mail folder. If you apply a label to a conversation, what Google calls a threaded message, and move that conversation out of your inbox, that conversation will then appear again in your inbox should someone reply to the conversation. Yet because the conversation still has a label, it will still exist in the original label folder at the same time. You can view and manage all of your labels at any time by choosing Manage Labels from the bottom of the Labels or Move To drop-down menus, or by clicking Settings, Labels in Gmail. From this screen, you can change the name of an existing label, add new labels, or remove a label completely. Note that removing a label does not remove the contents of that label. If you apply a label to a message in your inbox, the message now resides in both the inbox and the label folder. If you apply more than two labels to an item in your inbox, the message resides in two label folders simultaneously, as well as the inbox, and so on. But why spend each day applying labels to email messages? Make Gmail do the work for you. Most of us receive a majority of our email from the same people day after day, week after week, whether from colleagues, managers, department heads, students. We're often communicating with the same people, and many of those people are communicating about the same predictable subjects. Why not have Gmail apply labels to these messages automatically as they arrive in your inbox? Using a Gmail filter, you can instruct Gmail to add a label to any type of message arriving in your inbox. I get emails from Jeremy, our web guru. I can have Gmail automatically apply a web label to any incoming message from Jeremy. The easiest way for me to do this is to start with an existing message from Jeremy in my account. I'll click the checkbox to the left of my message from Jeremy, then click More Actions, Filter messages like these. The filter screen appears. I'll have Gmail act on any message sent to me from Jeremy. I don't need to specify any other info, though I could if I wanted to narrow down the filter further. Click the Next Step button to choose Filter Actions. Here's where I tell Gmail what to do with messages from Jeremy. I'll first have Gmail add a star to any message from Jeremy to impart a sense of importance. Then I'll choose to apply the web label to any message from Jeremy. If I didn't have an existing label to use, I could just choose New Label from the drop-down list and create a new label. I'll also apply this filter to the existing messages from Jeremy in my account. This will instantly add the web label to all messages in my entire account from Jeremy. Click Create Filter when done. I could also apply a second label to all messages from Jeremy, such as a label called Jeremy. I could create a second filter to do this automatically, or I could choose to apply the Jeremy label manually to selected email items from Jeremy. Remember, you can attach as many labels as you want to individual message items. Applying a second label called Jeremy ensures that mail items from Jeremy reside in both the Web and Jeremy label folders, which allows me to cross-reference when searching. So now I've organized my messages from Jeremy. I've also taken the time to create filters and apply labels to other messages in my account from other senders. Beyond basic housekeeping, why is this important? Organizing your mail increases the efficiency of your searches. We're all used to typing in one or more keywords in Google to search for information on the web. You can certainly type one or more keywords into the Gmail search box and receive a list of results. But with Gmail's advanced search operators, searching Gmail becomes easier and faster. You can use Gmail's advanced search operators in one of two ways. The first method is mouse-driven. Click Show Search Options to the right of the Gmail search box. You are now presented with a list of search options. Enter your search criteria. Let's say I want to find a message from Marlene in my web label folder. I know it was sent to me around the turn of the new year. I'll specify a time frame within 1 month of January 1st. I could add other search criteria if necessary, but this is enough for now. Click Search Mail, and now those specific items show up in my search results. An even faster method of searching can be performed by using advanced search operator commands in the search box itself. To find all email from Marlene in my web label folder, I'll type in:"web from :Marlene. This tells Gmail to search in my web label folder and to search for messages from Marlene. I can type after :2009/01/01 to see only those messages sent after January 1st. Another quick command to use is is:"unread. This will show only email in your account that is unread. Again, you can add more criteria to this. If I only want to see unread email in my inbox, I can type in:"inbox is:"unread. For more tips on using labels and searching within Gmail, see the OIT Help Desk's website at helpdesk.boisestate.edu. Click Email, Google Apps, How To for help with Gmail and other Google Apps applications.